Oh, so I'm a Sofo from Ghana no. And one pastor also are very careful. Any pastor your friend saying Reverend Kofi Oduro. Yeah. He's their next they will hack him. They will send before also omeba group no ma be send the links in the group. Moi mumu mo jimina na mu jejina group yes e bom paye obi send the links now I could press so I do hack you. I want to say these gentlemen, this man. This guy, his name is Benjamin Ansa. We are a very dangerous guy. So Benjamin Ansa, anyway, the company who computers and come. So I do phone that say or check BB also. So I do laptop that he is in your laptop. Mameka Ibincho. If you are Ghanaian today in Ghana, not this gentleman called Benjamin Ansa. Me by my mom in the background. Me by mom in the background. I'm going to clone 2020 elections. 2020 election results. It came to them before it came to the EC.
Penny Kevin Taylor, Edin Simbi, Abuta Bontia, Abusia, and some not the Abuta Bontino. I know she ye pa. A mass of Kofi Oduro in snow, a good gem. Sansona, a brand severe friend said Benjamin Ansa, or no so da honor. Na and somewhere, Yebra Penny Kevin Taylor, Abuta Bontino, a munchrimu, and Amade, Eba Besomo, and then your watch Eba Beto Kofi Oduro. I went to me and Fada, and Emre. Anka hon san semni nyina ena me de eba beso beso subscribe my page we e too much me adoma no so ama upload be bia onsa etimi akebi ebusuya se nenim se Yebra Kelvin Taylor eti amonone a odi ne dwuma efe ne se loud silence no eno ena wusu a wo ya na ensem bia odi aba bonten no e kire se enkrofo bi eba A.T.T.A.C.K Sofo pani Kofi Oduro a Kelvin Taylor entimi amfa eda anase ebre anka ho ama Sofo pani Kofi Oduro enso no bujempa afi se obi eniwa ote se amrobes ebeba ne fie anase enkrofo bi eba A.T.T.A.C na attack no kura eye ne ewe se eye na asori no ena omuba bedwiregu ana ne nkwa ena omuba beje fi ne nsem wenum nyina eye questions a Kelvin Taylor den nsem ebeto abonten no amanfo ebisa edefa ho ama Sofo pani Kofi Oduro ne nsunu egugemu pa abusuya eno anso ha Kelvin Taylor ekoso a kire se abrante bia efe ne se Benjamin Ansa oye criminal chese ne boni a wodi no ano ohyepa na Kelvin Taylor kire se sa abrante ono kra na eboa isi emom wi a abanim edema NPP etimi ebedi abato no emu enkunim na kanya sanka NPP kra entimi mba bedi enkunim emom benya abanwa no ewo Ghana ha na eno na Ghana for chese NSS Kelvin eka ne sa dia na chese isi ne krampo no almost time bomb so ase yenji wo mu ni na manfo eka no ya yampa busu de yenko ne yenko video ni sene a Kelvin Taylor eche ni nsemu esifa.
Oh, so I'm a Sofo from Ghana no. And one pastor also are very careful. Any pastor your friend saying Reverend Kofi Oduro. Yeah. He's their next they will hack him. They will send before also omeba group no ma be send the links in the group. Moi mumu mo jimina na mu jejina group yes e bom paye obi send the links now I could press so I do hack you. And that is what they have done to most of Asori form penifo no and the judge form penifo no. People's personal life, both of you pictures no more you videos then they start to use it against you. And there are so many judges in Ghana, they cannot talk. And I know about 12, they cannot talk. And some of them personally they have spoken to me, say, Kevin, this is the situation, we can't do anything. Because BB Kim, they'll put the videos out. Obia or the personal life. Obia or Nyoma or behind the scenes. And that is what these people do. These people sometimes could be this alpha hour. Into what's on my drop a link. Obedience quotation. Also, group, you see gospel a prayer group. Or school group, you must be a drop a link. That is how. But I want to say this. These gentlemen, this man. This guy, his name is Benjamin Ansa. We are a very dangerous guy. So Benjamin Ansa, anyway, the company who computers and come. So I do phone that say or check BB also. So I do laptop that he is in your laptop. Mameka Ibincho. If you are Ghanaian today in Ghana, not this gentleman called Benjamin Ansa. Me by my mom in the background. Me by mom in the background. clone 2020 elections. 2020 election results, it came to them before it came to the EC. And that is where Anoche NCA, that is where they were getting their results. Majority of the radio stations, they were getting results from these guys. They were not getting it from EC. And at the point, NPP said they were able to collate the elections results before even the EC. Because the EC knew that the elections were going to go to these people. These people were going to look at the numbers, clone the numbers into 60,000 for NDC or 32,000. No, I done no. NPP, the NA 15,000, why 51,000. And Tubawu said the pink sheet on the ground, East one, you could see there is no connection. But Obeka said, Nani is sending also saying you're sending these are the boys. Now, before I go on, I'm going to show you another person. This guy, his name is Kojo Osafo Mafu. Very diabolic, dangerous guy. Let me tell you, he knows his job. And when I say he knows his job, we have dig this guy about America. He's good at his job. And he's taking advantage of that. And this guy, the number of people are, and that this boy is duping. No, he's into, the director when it comes to cyber security or NCA. This is the guy who puts together the master plan. Now, the reason why I'm doing this in English, you've heard me speak a little bit of English, is because we are going to petition the IEEE. Osafuma Fubanye. These are the criminals in Ghana who are destroying this nation. Now, before I go to Benjamin, Ansano, let me tell you a little about this guy. Now, the NPP, what they have done now, and they say, you see this guy, it was recently moving the director of cyber security. Yes, or a lecturer at Shesi University. I don't even know. Now, this guy is making millions. And this guy's expertise, say, he has good experience in mobile chips and what we call component security. The reason why I'm doing this is because he has gone against the international rules and regulations. And the license is what he's using to commit crimes in Ghana. This boy. His name is Kojo Osafo Mafu. 2020 elections, he women elections. Now, his expertise is mobile chips. He knows how he can create different kinds of platforms and networks. They sit on Dijumano. He is the mastermind behind it. And normally you don't see him. The reason why I show the name say when you go into the ethics of IEEE, Institute for Electrical and Electronic Engineers, a well-recognized institution he's part of. He has that license. Now, what the IEEE hates is to use the license to suppress people, to use the license to commit a crime. And this is what this boy, Ghana, because ne papa the advisor to the president, this is what he is doing in Ghana. They are manipulating Ghana over the national security, tapping into people's phones, tapping into people's offices, data. This boy is the guy who sits behind and say, I've created this, use this. 2020 elections, he is the one on the distracted system, he is the one who was able to make sure, say, cloning numbers. Now, the funny thing about this guy is, build the tools. He builds different kinds of tools. And because the tools are platforms, sensitive ones are, you need to me institutions, you to me real data. That's why I'm saying, a petition has been put together because the evidence we have with his connection. So what he has tried to do, every time he does this, he stays away. And today, no more catch him say, I will do it, but do not make anything linked to me, but mistakenly with Jano. You see, this world, obia time eba. And when your time is ripe, oya ho hwea yabechew. Now what he does normally in say so we study it we do some time be obuha or say my Facebook ya Jeffrey Minsem, this is the guy. Obi because my Twitter they have struck me. Your creative account so from me is this guy. They are basically suppressing free speech, and this is the guy they are using. And normally he's quiet and he is the one who builds the tools. In fact, ne papa ne osafmafu. And in weeks to come, this guy, his license will be taken from him. He is a criminal. He's using this opportunity. Also, or this server Ghana, no, he's using this opportunity to destroy this nation. And internet MP before to make a say, oh, you better win elections, you know, but the strategy we be winning. These are the people they are talking about. Sakwa way, he had a problem on internet. You can say Starlink by Elon Musk internet and by no. He didn't like it because every election biano, omu use Ghana internet normally conducting. Now what happens and then they say the moment you are on Ghana's internet they will be able to hack your system. And internet NCA and Omkofa they are not free America better than Ghana, and they took this boy and put him there. When I the enemy of the state, when I fuel station, you don't let him go. When you share petrol go, when say kurono. These are the people blackmailing judges. Into Utubu say, and in the history of Ghana, you'll be a friend a unanimous FC. It is because of these boys. They have a lot. They have a lot on the judges, and through this boy and the Benjamin guy I'm about to talk about, you know, almost a blackmailing judges. Ma, a Sofo bi Ghana come to me because they are Sofo Ghana. They are cause to me ka. Uko peace counselor almost omomutisuna. These boys have their private conversations and their life. They use that to threaten them. And in the 2020 elections, you know, the EC could not give you definite numbers because the NCA. What we call the National Security and what we call the Bureau of National Communication, and BNC, NCA, NI before no during elections, and they mentioned to me, Mamo, the right election results because these were the people who had to work on the numbers. They had to work on the result before the EC gets it. Into Mubusa NDC for Mubusa, Omo representing NDC war, strong room or EC one. At a point, the system wasn't bringing anything. The moment the system goes down quiet, it means they have moved all the numbers. There's a diversion. They are cloning the numbers. And into
Usia ensemi ebeto odwa na afei amanfo de omadwenkyere eba na ebimu kra kase ase Ghana ha no ye jeja ye hododo ye fa enema tra ye tenatena ho na enema afa yase ebinumu kire se ya na Nobo Kennedy akomprekon Japan de Ahmed Swale picture ebeto net 2 kire se ono ene Anas aye nyina so enim se Anas djuma odi no djuma ehu enu nti se ampa se amanfo so nya na ombeje ne nkwa afini nsem tema Nobo Kennedy Japan Edi Ahmed Swale picture ebeto net 2 kire se ono ene Anas nti wo be hu ni bia na so be ben company bia no ne wo bia timi de ye no ode beto dwa anche na akronforefo ekokoto hye Ahmed Swale so eje ne nkwa efi ne sem ya Ahmed Swale efi musa no papa no baba ontin ebeka se onim owo no ho hwe amanfo bi so kire se ne ye ode ne picture ebeto abontin no na de se Ahmed efi mu dia ono nipa wo se hwehwe Ahmed nkwa anase omomuku Ahmed no edi free ne ho enu nti se ne Kelvin Taylor so de Benjamin Ansa e picture ababeto abontin no na ebi mo kire se Benjamin Ansa so to we owabusua owoyere owoma enu nti se wo de ne picture ababeto abontin se na so u expose Benjamin Ansa amase se be a onam no kra ebehia se a police fo ebedi nachi ebe so kra kire se Kelvin Taylor no ono yenya no na ne nsem no ya no keka no yenya enim se oye NDC ni nti se ne yadru political season mu say ne de na say ya no bebe e cheap propaganda bi e na oye e de ama NDC for say ne be ya NDC mabunu ana say NDC supporters na edi NDC echi no ebubefu isi no ne sene a amafo e ka say isi ne kura omo ngini ndi no amafo no ebubefu isi no ama abato ya ye ba betu be kwa kofa pintem bi ni ohaw bi e de aba ebi so e kire say Kelvin ye nya ne nsema no say nsem bi ya na Kelvin Taylor ekeka no Ghana ha no enye ni nyina na ya na eye credible ebi ho no ma o ka ne tra sa akeke enu nti no waka ye nya na sa na onko wenum ye adwenkyira amafo e kire sen ana won so wadwen e kire wo ye nya Kelvin Taylor no keka ne nsem ne sa wa abra ye nim sa afi eye abato afi a asem bi abeka bia no ebetimi akwakofa ohaw e de abra oman Ghana sen ye wo kire se asofo no mu bi e na ye hake o midnight prayers no eno nam so ama se amafo so e ko online krapo akobọ mpaya na akwakọ ebibi anajo a eno so edi hu aba be hye amafo mu se Kelvin e kire se ukọ online anajo ana se group no asa asofo na e bọ mpaya anajo no eno mu na amafo enya kwan e de hake amafo account e de bone eno nti ama ehu so aba beto amafo so wo sa kwan no so eno nti wenum nyina ye nsem a e kọ so e de fa expose ya Kelvin Taylor e de aba bonten ho sen e na won so wadwen e kire ma ye hu e wo comment section no ase aha too much G's. Mess was subscribe ama page we na we mia adoma no so ama upload bi bia won sa etimi aka makra